In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change X and O button on your PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. So first, go to settings. In settings, go to accessories. In accessories, go to controller general. Then in controller general, go down and at the bottom you will see controllers. Press X on it. Now here go to custom button assignments for DualSense wireless controller. Now here you have to turn this on, so press X. Now go to custom button assignments. Now go to X and press X. Now from here select O. Then go on O and go on X and select X, and then after selecting that, go on apply and press X, and the settings are applied. So this is how you can change X and O button on your PS5. Thanks for watching.